Here today we'll discuss how we can calculate the number of genotypes in case of multiple alleles. That means when a gene have more than 2 alleles in a population, or we can say that 3 or more than 3 alleles in a population for a gene, how we can calculate the genotypes for that particular multiple alleles. See, we have a formula that is number of genotypes in case of multiple alleles. Multiple alleles. How we can calculate the number of genotypes in case of multiple alleles? We know that the number of genotypes in case of multiple alleles, we have n divided by 2 into n plus 1, where n is the number of alleles of a gene. So we can have, for example, we have 3 alleles for blood group. How we can calculate number of genotypes? Number of genotypes when there are 3 alleles. We have n by 2 into n plus 1. So we have n is obviously 3. 3 divided by 2, 3 plus 1. So we have 3 by 2, 4. 3 to 6 genotypes. So number of genotypes 6. Here n is equal to 3. Same is the case, we have 4. Another example is 4 alleles for coat color in rabbits. Coat color in rabbits. 4 alleles for coat color in rabbits. That means we have number of genotypes n by 2 to n plus 1. So where n is equal to 4. So 4 divided by 2, 4 plus 1. So we have 4 by 2 into 5. 5 4 is 20. 20 by 2. We have 10 genotypes. Then in case of if we have 10 genotypes would be here. Same is the case, we have 15 alleles for eye color in 15 alleles for eye color in Drosophila. How we can calculate the number of genotypes? So number of genotypes is, we have n by 2 n plus 1, where n is equal to 15. It is given, n is the number of alleles, so it would be 15 by 2, 15 plus 1. So obviously 15 by 2, 16. What it will come? It will come 240 by 2, obviously 120 genotypes. So this was how we can calculate the number of genotypes in case of multiple alleles. We have formula n by 2 into n plus 1, where n is the number of alleles. Thank you.